Creaitor AI is leaving AppSumo again. Hi guys, what is up? William here. Today's video, we're going to talk about Creaitor AI, and looks like they're leaving the platform again. So the first time I picked up Creaitor AI, I think was back in either August or September, and they've left the marketplace for probably 2 months. They came back in November. So I managed to pick up the code. I managed to pick up the lifetime deal last time. Creaitor AI has been working really well for me. It's providing that unlimited content for me. Creaitor AI has been mentioning that they're using OpenAI's GPT-3 DaVinci. And if we go to the OpenAI website, we can actually see DaVinci's language model is the most powerful one, the most expensive one. Other competitors on the market, they will just tell you that they're using GPT-3. They don't really specify whether it's DaVinci or it's Curie, Babbage, Ada. So you'll need to check on those different AI content writers, which one are they actually using. So for Creaitor AI, they are using DaVinci model. So you'll get the best of their, the content that's being generated in Creaitor AI. So coming back, they're going to leave AppSumo in the next 7 days. So hopefully by the time I release this video, it'll be just like 6 days. So you can come back and make your decision if you want to pick up Creaitor AI this time. We don't know if they'll come back again. Last time they left, and 2 months they've come back. So it really depends if they've already picked up enough lifetime deal members, or they're getting already some monthly revenues from other users. So let's revisit again what you'll get from Creaitor AI on their plans. So on the deal, you'll get lifetime access to Creaitor AI's platform. You'll get all future standard plans update. It's good to know that the future plan update is only for... So the standard plan, which is this one on their website, you'll get the you'll get the content, which is great. I believe this is the DaVinci one. You'll get all the AI assistance, which is the use case templates, 70 plus, 25 languages, unlimited projects, unlimited documents, translation as well. But you don't get unlimited translation, but that's the standard website. You'll get the SEO capabilities, but you're not going to get the SERP beaters or the image generation. Those are not available for the standard plan. So I think in the future, if Creaitor AI comes up with really new features, you'll probably need to buy new codes, or you need to pay for the monthly plan. So jumping back to AppSumo, looking at their 3 tiers. So single tier, $89, you'll get unlimited characters per month, 5 active users with the SEO capabilities. On the double stack, what you'll get is the SERP beater. I think this is similar to what NeuronWriter is doing. You can see the top 10 websites or their competitors on their ranking, and then it helps you to create better content from your competitors. And then the final stack, if you get up to 3 code, you get everything from the double, including the image generator. So that really depends if you need to create text to image. If you're just purely going to use Creaitor AI for generating content, then the single code is already good enough. If you want the SERP beater, I'm not sure how good it is because I'm only on the single code. I've already got NeuronWriter. It's probably one of the best content optimizer already. So I would usually stick with one vendor that does really good on one thing. I don't know how good is the Creaitor AI SERP beater. So for me, I will stick with using one code for Creaitor AI, and then maybe the other investment capitals to get NeuronWriter. So I'll leave those links down below and you can check them out. Let's look at the reviews so far from the last, the two campaigns that they have. So they have 90 reviews, and we can see the majority of the reviews are pretty high. So it's 4.5 or higher. So you can see majority are giving 5 tackles, 5 stars. This person gave three tacos. I think they are mentioning about the user interface, user experience. I think there is a good point. If we go into the dashboard, which I will later, I think they can do some better work in terms of how things are being laid out. So overall, I think they're getting a very good positive results. Again, they're a pretty new company, so you need to bear with them, whether it's support or any like future developments. Speaking of developments, I think it'll be good to go and see their roadmap. So these are the things that they've recently launched. Help page, image-based creation, text rating on keywords, that's the SEO stuff. Integrating text with NLP, I think that's the search results. So what's coming up soon? So from the editor side, we'll get the new write more features, rewrite phase, improve phase, and improve handling. We'll get something related with product comparison, exporting to Word and PDF, video tutorials. I think that'll be really useful because the tool is good, but there's not enough like help or tutorial to teach, to educate people how to use their product. So looking at integration, we'll get like API access, WordPress, plugins, and then Word add-on, Excel add-ons. I don't know if that's the best one. If they want like these add-ons instead of having like a Chrome extension on a browser extension, I think that's probably a better way to go. And then in terms of registration, they can come up with like logging in with Facebook or Google. It's good that they're going to put in two-factor authentication in their product. Better security is always good. This is the one I do like. It's the blog wizard. So a lot of the new AI tools these days, they're coming up with like one-click blog generator or blog wizards that guides you to create a proper blog post article. Right now, Creaitor AI, you need to spend, or you need to go through different steps, creating your own sort of your blog article headline, and then coming up with outlines, putting things in. Some of the other tools out there are just a few clicks to generate the entire blog. So having this blog wizard, I think it will be really good. And then in future, they'll have the plagiarism checker as well. So these are things that are being planned. Under construction are these ones. So supporting more AI languages, step-by-step guide on the products. So that's good. Team collaboration, and then stuff with HR essays and the GUI the graphic user interface languages. So it could be like with not just English, but like in German or some other languages. So it's good that we're seeing a lot of good roadmaps coming up on Creaitor AI. So let's jump back to their dashboard. So what we're going to test today is writing another blog article. So if we come in here and we can pick a random topic and we can just jump on to answer the public. I've put in for better sleep. So what we can do is, which is better, sleeping with or without pillow? So we can actually take this word, this headline. Again, we can come into Creaitor AI. We can open up the editor. So putting this as my main topic. This will be my H1. And then I will open up the AI assistant. And I want some outlines. So putting in blog outlines. This is the topic. I don't have a particular product or service to promote, so I'll leave that as it is. Creativity, I'll leave it to normal. I want 3 outputs. And then in terms of the tone, I want it to be informed. Now hit create. So probably less than 10 seconds, they have come up with the outline and see, do we like it or not? Introduction, definitions of pillow, overview of pros and cons, benefits of sleeping with a pillow, reduce neck pain, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll talk about the benefits of sleeping with a pillow. Consideration, conclusion. So there are 2 different ones. And then Let me just pause this video and see which one's better. So I think the first one is fine. So I can just take these, I can take this, and then I can hit this button. So that outline is now part of my editor. So what we can do now, we'll put some focus keyword here. So make sure that the things Creaitor AI is going to generate will focus or relate with the keywords we put in here. So for focus keyword, we can put in sleep quality, pillows, sleep with pillows, sleep without pillows. And then let's look at definition of pillows. Get a paragraph. Yeah, this one seems to be a bit easy. Okay, I'm getting this at the moment. Something with Cloudflare, not sure what it is. Let me see if I can just leave that. And then we want to start creating each of the paragraphs on the outline. So not sure why Cloudflare is flicking around, but I'm still getting the output. So let me just pause this video. Okay, I finished all the paragraph writing on this document. So either you can go in here, select the outline and then hit paragraph, or the other way I think it's better is to use the AI assistant. Coming in here and then putting in the block outline right here, and then ask for a few different outputs, and then which one you like, and then you enter it in. I think it's a better way to put it to generate the topics that you want to write. Because if you only hit the paragraph mode, you don't know whether it's still having the same tone of like inform or being like really engaging, etc. And having a few different outputs would be a better choice. That's just my own opinion. So now we've created a full article with around 1,400 words. So what we can do now is to copy this over to Nuance Writer. So I'm now in my Nuance Writer, and I'm going to put in the sort of the similar blog article headline. Should you sleep with or without a pillow? So what we can do now, click on here. It will show you all the like top 10 or top 30 websites with this particular keyword. And as you can see, if we want to rank like in number 1, the first website has like 1,700 words. So if you see the top 10, you can see the words should be within like 1,400, 1,500 words. So we can just click on next. And then your writer is going to analyze all the words that you need in order to rank higher on this article. So we're going to paste what we have from Creaitor AI. So right from the start, we got a score of 29. And since we are talking about sleep with or without a pillow, so these are some of the words that Nuance has picked up. So some of them may be having too many, like you've mentioned like 7 times. You might want some words around in stomach sleeping, neck and shoulder. So once you start optimizing your article, then the content score will be higher. So from Nuance Writer, it mentioned that your score needs to be higher than 63 to be competitive. But then the purpose of this video is to use or to demonstrate Creaitor AI. So I will not continue the demonstration on the optimization of using Nuance Writer. But if that's something interests you, please do leave a comment so I can do a video on how to use Nuance Writer to optimize your blog post. So jumping back to Creaitor AI's dashboard, I think this module has not been mentioned in some of the other YouTube content creators. There's a new button called Open Form. And what this is, you can actually what you can do here is just command Creaitor AI to generate content for you. So what we can do is to put in the exact thing what we want Creator AI to generate. So what we can do here is just put in like a question. What is the difference between virtual reality and augmented reality? And then creativity could be optimal, outputs 3, and tone of voice. I'll just leave this in as default. So basically you can put in these kind of command and ask Creator AI to give you an answer. And I think this is pretty good. Virtual reality, VR, is a computer simulated reality where users are fully immersed in artificial environments. Yeah, and then AR. Yep, I think these are really good information. But then you can see the trained data are up to June 2021. So if you put in like the last football game in 2022, it's not going to give you that response. So I think this is also a pretty handy tool that you can just directly command Creator AI to do something. So let's do another one. Write in email to Jason to thank him for joining the call yesterday and propose next catch-up time. And here we want to be optimal. Let's say you're working in a legal firm or like some other professionals. The tone of voice could be professional. Again, outputs a 3 or 2, so let's choose 2. And let's see how Creator AI can help you generate an email. So even it gives you the subject. Dear Jason, thank you for taking time out for your day to join yesterday's call. Your contributions and insights were greatly appreciated. So these are some just fluff, I think. The main objective is to suggest a call to plan the next catch-up call. So this is quite good. So again, there's no limitations what you want to create with Creator AI. I think this is a very handy tool, as I got like I got a day job, so this can actually help me a lot with like writing proposals, writing professional emails, or even doing like cold email outreach, any sort of like icebreaker emails with your colleagues or like for your clients. This is something I think is very handy to use, apart from what they have with all the AI assistants here. So don't limit yourself just to use these ones, but to explore using the open form. So again, Creator AI is going to leave within 7 days from this video is being uploaded. So make sure you pick this up. I think this is really good for anyone who's just start using like AI content generators. $89 can give you unlimited content with high quality. And I think this is a really good price. If we look at some of the other tools on AppSumo, on content marketing. So this is the one that's get the most recommended through AppSumo. Neon Writer, it's been mentioned. They also have AI content generator, but they're not most well known for it. They're really not well known for optimizing content. And then the next one is Word Hero. But Word Hero for $89, you're not going to get unlimited content output. And all you get is around, if I click on it, let's see. So you only get 20,000 words per month. And you'll need to stack up to 3 codes in order to get unlimited content and then the long form article. And if we compare the same price, right? Full stack, $267. Creator AI can give you the SEO, SERP beater, and image generator. For Word Hero, $267 will give you a long form writing, unlimited words, but they're missing the SEO stuff. They're missing the text to image. So I think for now, Creator AI would be the better choice if I were to pick one of these as a beginner to start writing content. So this concludes my video. Do leave a like if you think this was useful. Drop me a comment for any videos you want me to do. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for any future content. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.